We as a species have been plagued for many generations, many millennia in fact, by a disease that just cannot let us go and that we just cannot seem to find a cure for. And it has sent fear deep into the populace, scared many children. Now I speak, of course, of the hiccups. Now, as you might have noticed already, I currently have the hiccups, and you might as well watching this video. But fear not, because I come bearing gifts. For I have discovered the cure for hiccups. Now, in all seriousness, I've tested this through many of my friends for the last year, and I've asked them to tell me whether or not it works, and every single one of them has told me 100% of the time it works. That's about 8 of my friends, and over 50 different times they've told me this, between them all, including my own trials. So, when I tell you this, I tell you this with absolute sincerity. This fucking works, as I will show you right now. One final one for the road, and there we go. And as you'll see now, I am completely hiccup free. I'll take a second and roll a smoke on can just to, prove a point, but save for a couple coughs and a little stutter from being a little high, I no longer have the hiccups. So comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys and for you to let me know whether or not it works for you. But as far as I've seen, it works. So give it a try and be hiccup free.